this video, I'm going to be explaining how to use the variation feature. The variation feature allows you, the business owner, to sell multiple products or variable products and add them as one on the application. To do this, the first step is to go to product or services. For this video, I'm going to be adding the product shirts with different colors, red, yellow and blue. To achieve this, the first step is to go to variations. So I'll click on the variation button at the top. Then I'll click on the add button to add my variations. So over here, I'll enter in my variation name, which is going to be color. And then I'll enter in my variation values. As I mentioned earlier, the colors will be red, yellow and blue. To add more variation values, I'll click on the plus button here to increase my options and enter in the other colors. Then I'll save. With this, I can go ahead and add my product on the application. To do that, I'll go back to product and services, then click on the add new button and select products. So over here, I'm going to enter in the product name and set my product type to variable. Then select my unit as pieces. Then I'll scroll down to see the option here. Now over here, I would select the exact variation for this product, which is color, and it brings up the different variation values. I can now enter their different purchase prices. Now, if the prices are the same, here's an example. The prices are 5,000 for each. I can click on this icon to apply it to all the items. And then you can also set in your profit margin if it's the same for all colors, as well as your selling price. If they are different, you can adjust the different prices. So an example is if my blue is 5,500 instead of 5,000, you can see that my selling price has now been updated. I can do the same for my yellow, which could be 6,000, and again my prices will be updated. I can also adjust my selling price for each and every one of them. So I can set this to 7,000 and I can also set this to 6,500. So you can see that the profit margin for each one was updated as well. Once I've done this, I'll click on save and add stock. This is where I will enter in the quantity for each variable product, right? So over here, I'll scroll down and enter in the quantity remaining. So for my red, I'll assume what I have left is 10. And for my blue, I'll set it to 5. And my yellow, I'm going to set it to 20. Now with this, I can click on the save button to finalize. So my product has been added successfully. As you can see, if I click on the product to view it, I'll see the different variation, the different prices, as well as the different quantity for each product. And if I need to sell these items, I'll go back to the point of sale. And to sell a particular product, I'll search for the shirt, and it will bring up the 3 different options that we have, both yellow, red and blue. They can be sold separately. Thank you.
GrowCape, your business growth partner.